Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So now that we know the two categories of verbs, we're going to conjugate them, put them into a different tense. This tense we're looking at is Éannaim seo caite, the past tense, and that's things that have already happened. Inné, yesterday. An bhliain seo caite, last year. Fado, once upon a time or long ago. Aréir, last night. An seachtain seo caite, last week. In our first video, we looked at 33 useful verbs that can be used for everyday writing. But how do we put any bríthar, any verb, in the Éannaim seo caite in the past tense in Irish? So if a verb begins with a gutta, a vowel, A-E-I-O-U, we put a D apostrophe before the verb. So ol becomes dole, drink, drank. Etalt becomes detalt, fly, flew. Imig goes to dimig, leave to left. Ahan goes to dahan, recognize, recognized. If we want to put the bríthar beginning with the following letters into the past tense, we put in a shevu after the first letter. Piuk becomes fiuk, pick, picked. Glan becomes glan, clean, cleaned. Cianig becomes chianig, buy, bought. Bollig becomes volig, gather, gathered. Video 4 looked at the letters that take a shevu and the ones that don't, and there are some letters that never take a shevu: L, N, or S, C, S, M. So, scoob stays as scoob, brush, brushed, lame stays as lame, jump, jumped, rownig stays as rownig, choose, chose, nartig stays as nartig, strengthen, strengthened. If a bríthar begins with an F, we put in a D apostrophe and add a shevu in order to put it into the past tense. So fog becomes dog, leave, left. Fill goes to dill, return, returned. Fragger goes to dragger, answer, answered. Fiafrig, diafrig, ask, asked. So just a little recap in English. The subject goes before the verb, i.e. the dog ate. In Irish we reverse it, so the verb comes before the subject. De an madra. So just a couple of examples of verbs in the past tense. Cianig me, I bought. Das na blahana, the flowers grew. Vrish shiad, they broke. Dole an Colleen, the girl drank. Quar she put. Dragger an muntor, the teacher answered. Fiuk two, you picked.
Agus sin é.